Hello everybody, this is Dr. Sneha Kotak here. I'm the proprietor of Basil Homeopathy, going live on UNIMO, Universe of Moms, the largest community of mothers in community care activity. Sorry for being late, there were some technical issues because of which I got a little late. Sorry to keep you guys waiting. Hope you guys are all safe at home. If I could just know if I'm audible, if I'm visible, that would be great. Hi Mrunmay. Hi Poonam. How are you doing? Just let me know, girls, if I'm visible, if I'm audible, so that we can start with today's topic. We are already running short of time. Hello Bhavi. Hi Bhavi. How are you doing? Okay, Raki says I'm clear. Thank you so much, Raki. So welcome you all for today's live. Today we are going to discuss a very few basic tips for hair care. A little bit introduction about myself. As I said, I'm Dr. Sneha Kotak. I'm the proprietor of Basil Homeopathy located at Borivali, West Region. I'm also the manufacturer of Kesh Elixir. It is a registered brand of homeopathically medicated hair oil. When I was seeing patients as a student during my internship years or even in my private practice, I realized one thing, that hair issues run parallel or common to most of the ailments, okay? And people were more bothered about their hair conditions rather than the ailments that they were suffering from. This is what prompted me to study hair more into detail. When I was studying, I realized one thing, that oiling plays a very, very important role. Okay, Bobby says my voice is little low. Okay. Let me know, Bobby, if I'm ऑडिबल नाउ. ओके. तब मैंने देखा कि हेयर इशू से लोग बहुत परेशान थे. तब मैंने हेयर को डिटेल में स्टडी किया एंड दैट इज़ हाउ आई केम डाउन इनटू प्रोडक्शन ऑफ केश एलिक्सिर. केश एलिक्सिर इज़ अ होम्योपैथिकली मेडिकेटेड हेयर ऑयल जिसमें हम कोकोनट ऑयल यूज़ करते हैं एज बेस और उसके अंदर हम होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन डालते हैं. ये ऑयल आप यूज़ कर सकते हो हर काइंड ऑफ हेयर कंसर्न के लिए, जैसे हेयर फॉल है, डैंड्रफ है, बाल थिन हो रहे हैं, रीग्रोथ नहीं हो रहा है या बॉल पैचेस आ गए हैं, उन हर चीज़ के लिए आप ये ऑयल यूज़ कर सकते हो. गोइंग बैक टू द टॉपिक, टुडे वी आर हियर टू डिस्कस अ फ्यू क्विक टिप्स फॉर हेयर केयर. Okay, Celeste says I'm absolutely audible and visible. Thank you so much. Girls, I would just like to tell you, if there are any questions, any queries that you have, please start putting it down. I'll take it quickly after we address the session. Okay. Few quick tips for hair care. The first and the foremost thing that comes is oiling. Okay, so we start with the basic routine that we follow. The first step in the basic routine is oiling. Now, the way that you oil your hair is extremely important. You need to make partitions of your hair. बालों के partitions करने हैं. ऑयल कॉटन ले लो थोड़ा सा या कोई क्लॉथ ले लो, कॉटन क्लॉथ ले लो, उसको ऑयल में डिप करो और पार्टीशन पे हल्के से लगाना है. जब आप ऑयल करते हो तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि आपको बालों को स्कैल्प को हल्के से मसाज करते हुए जाना है. मसाज सर्कुलर डायरेक्शन में होना चाहिए. ध्यान ये रखना है कि आपके नेल्स स्कैल्प को हर्ट ना करें. प्लीज़ बी केयरफुल दैट यू डू नॉट हर्ट योर नेल्स टू द स्कैल्प. आपको ये फिंगर टिप से हल्के से मसाज करना है, ज़ोर से भी नहीं करना है. उससे क्या होता है कि फॉलिकल्स डैमेज हो जाता है और हेयर सीधा रूट्स से निकल सकते हैं. इसलिए जब हम कहते हैं, काफ़ी लोग कहते हैं कि हमें हेयर फॉल होता है ऑयलिंग के वक्त, दिस कैन बी वन ऑफ द मेजर रीजन्स फॉर हेयर फॉल ड्यूरिंग ऑयलिंग ऑफ हेयर. सो यू नीड टू टेक केयर अबाउट हाउ यू मसाजिंग योर hair. The best oil to be used for oiling is coconut oil anytime. If you have any concern, any other hair problem, you can use any oil according to that. Second thing is oil कितना frequently करना है. The usual frequency of oiling hair is twice in a week. Keep the oil for minimum 2 hours, whichever brand of oil that you're using. 2 घंटे से ज़्यादा भी आप रख सकते हो, लेकिन मिनिमम ड्यूरेशन 2 आवर्स का होना चाहिए. उससे क्या होगा कि जो स्कैल्प जितना आप ऑयल करते हो उससे क्या होगा कि जो ऑयल है वो स्कैल्प में एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा. ओके, राखी इज सेइंग इट इज़ ओके इफ द ऑयल टचेस द स्कैल्प. Some say it shouldn't. Yes, Raki, it is absolutely essential that the oil should touch the scalp, तो ही वो scalp में absorb होगा. and we are oiling the hair because the scalp should get nourishment, right? So अगर scalp नहीं touch होता है तो वो अगर scalp को नहीं touch होता है तो वो scalp को nourish नहीं कर पाएगा. So for the scalp to get enough nourishment, it is very essential that it should touch the scalp. The next thing that you need to take care, first we talked about the duration, right? So the minimum 2 hours, maximum आप जितना भी आपके hair strands या scalp आपका tolerate कर सकता है. People usually have hair fall after they keep it for 2 days or something. So if you feel कि आपका hair fall होने लगता है after keeping oil for 2 days, you can not keep for that long. You can you can wash your hair little earlier to that. The next thing will come is whether oiling of or whether warming of oil is required or no. This varies from oil to oil, the type of oil that is used. Some oils require prior heating, some oils do not require prior heating. So again, this will vary depending on the brand that you use. I would suggest here one small thing is that do not oil your hair in the night before going to bed. What happens is the oil gets wiped up. How much ever care you take, the scalp doesn't get enough time to absorb the nutrients or to absorb the good qualities of the oil into the scalp. So to enable that, to enable कि oil ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा absorb हो, जो nutrients है, हमारा जो purpose है oil करने का, वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हम benefit करें उससे, what you should do is evening में लगा लो या at least 2 hours before going to bed you can oil the hair. उसके बाद आप easily सो सकते हो. There is absolutely no issues. The next thing comes in hair care is washing your hair. Now here one very important thing is we all know that when washing hair you should be using shampoos which are sulfates and paraben free, right? The technique in which you wash your hair is extremely important. The temperature of water that you use for washing hair should be lukewarm water so that the oil is completely washed off the scalp. बहुत ज़्यादा हीट या बहुत ज़्यादा कोल्ड वाटर यूज़ करने से स्ट्रैंड्स ज़्यादा डैमेज हो सकते हैं, स्कैल्प ज़्यादा डैमेज हो सकता है. जो वाइटल न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं, जो वाइटल ऑयल्स होते हैं हमारे स्कैल्प में नेचुरली, जिसे हम सीबम भी कहते हैं, वो यूजुअली रहता है बालों में या स्कैल्प पे टू नरिश द स्कैल्प. बहुत ज़्यादा हॉट वाटर यूज़ करने से वो सीबम भी वॉश ऑफ हो जाता है, विच वी डू नॉट वांट. ओके, सो यूजिंग जस्ट lukewarm water will help you in washing off the oil. Another benefit of using lukewarm water is that it increases the microcirculation of the scalp. जो स्कैल्प का एक बार अगर सर्कुलेशन इंक्रीज होता है तो उससे क्या होता है कि जो फॉलिकल्स है उसका ब्लड सप्लाई इंक्रीज होता है. द इंक्रीज इन ब्लड सप्लाई टू द फॉलिकल्स विल इन टर्न हेल्प अस in increasing the quantity and the quality of our hair. Okay, so one thing to be taken care of here is that the temperature of water that we're using to wash our hair. The next thing that is important is how you shampoo your hair. Shampoos should always be diluted before applying to scalp. Dilute the shampoo with water, rub it against your palms, use the foam to wash your scalp and your hair. I always suggest use the foam and do not rub it directly or do not ever apply shampoo directly on the scalp. अगर आप सल्फेट्स और पैराबेन फ्री शैम्पू भी यूज़ करते हैं तो भी आपको कभी भी डायरेक्टली अप्लाई नहीं करना चाहिए स्कैल्प पे. ओके, द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट वी कम डाउन टू इज़ अ यूज़ ऑफ कंडीशनर. कंडीशनर्स एज वी नो डायरेक्टली आपको बालों पे ही लगाना है. अवॉइड अप्लाइंग इट ऑन द स्कैल्प रीजन और द क्राउन रीजन थ्रू आउट द हेड. ओके, usually the reason for avoiding this is that the scalp is not able to absorb the conditioner. It is basically to retain the moisture content of your hair that conditioners are used, and that is usually required for the hair strands. So we will not apply conditioners directly on the scalp, we will apply it only on the hair strands. The next thing that is important that you should be remembering while using conditioners is that कि जैसे हम कंडीशनर वॉश ऑफ करते हैं, हमने देखा कि ऑयल के लिए हम लुकवार्म वाटर यूज़ करेंगे ऑयल वॉश करने के लिए. कंडीशनर्स वॉश करने के लिए हमें कोल्ड वाटर यूज़ करना है. नाउ व्हाई इज दिस सो? ओके, लुकवार्म वाटर हम जब भी यूज़ करते हैं, सी इवन इफ यू नॉट अप्लाइंग कंडीशनर्स टू द स्कैल्प, even if we are applying only to the hair strands, what happens is little bit amount of water will definitely go on the scalp, right, even we're washing it. So what happens with use of cold water? The follicles अगर कोई open रह जाता है, it will close the follicles. Cold water will also help in retaining the moisture content of the hair strands. तो क्या होता है, अब जो हमारा जो point है, हमारा हम जिस लिए कंडीशनर यूज़ करते हैं वो benefit हम maintain कर सकते हैं, right? So these are the 3 quick things that we can do that we need to take care of while taking care of our hair in day-to-day routine. The next thing that is very, very important is diet. Diet plays a very major role in hair care. How? A hair strands is basically made up of two things, water and proteins. इसीलिए जब भी हेयर फॉल होता है हम यूजुअली एडवाइस करते हैं दैट यू नीड टू इंक्रीज योर वाटर इनटेक, स्पेशली इन समर्स जब गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है. अगर आपको स्वेट नहीं भी होता है तो भी देयर इज़ सबकॉन्शियस लॉस ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम द बॉडी, बिकॉज टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा है. उसको कूल करने के लिए बॉडी वाटर यूजुअली लूज़ करता ही है. हमें शायद पता ना चले लेकिन वो लॉस होता ही है. सो यू नीड टू डेफिनेटली इंक्रीज योर वाटर इनटेक स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग योर समर्स, and not only during the summers but even throughout the year. The next thing important is proteins in our diet. Proteins are a big source of giving strength to the hair and for repairing and building and rebuilding of the hair strands and the hair follicles. It also helps in giving strength to the overall structure of hair. So proteins, very, very important strengths. Of course, there are many other nutrients also present, like vitamins है, vitamins A है, vitamin C है, vitamin B है. Then even sunlight has a particular role in maintaining the microcirculation. We have various other minerals like copper, zinc and all. We would not go into that in detail, but just even if you take care of the water intake and the proteins in your diet, I'm sure more than 60 to 70% of your hair problems will be solved. Okay, we're having a lot of questions here, so we'll start answering them quickly. Okay, Bhavi Parekh says, I am having a lot of hair fall recently. Feel the volume is getting scanty. Please suggest hair care tips to boost hair growth. Okay, Bhavi, I just told you the way you need to oil your hair, shampoo your hair and condition your hair. Make sure that you are using a sulfate and paraben free shampoo, okay, because sulfates usually tend to have harsh chemicals which tend to destroy the hair follicles or tend to destroy the hair strands. So this will increase your hair fall. What you need to again do is take care of the diet. Do these changes for 1 month. Also, a very important part is exercise in your hair care. Yes, that is very true. Exercises से क्या होता है कि जो ऑक्सीजन कंटेंट रहता है हमारी बॉडी का वो इंक्रीज होता है. The oxygen level, once it increases, it improves the microcirculation to the hair follicles, जिससे hair growth अच्छा होता है and hair fall होना बंद हो जाता है. So, Bhavi, just do these changes for a month's time. If there is any other problem that you're facing, or if you feel that you're not happy with the results even after a month's time, do get in touch with me. How many times, okay, Bhavi again puts up a question, how many times should we do oiling and hair wash? Bhavi, oiling and hair wash go hand in hand. जितनी बार oil करते हो इतनी बार wash करना है. So I usually suggest to all my patients, oil भी twice ही करो और wash भी 2 times ही करो. उससे ज़्यादा wash is strictly not advisable unless and until you have a very oily scalp कि आप wash करो और next दिन ही अगर आपके बाल oily हो जाते हैं या समर सीजन में बहुत ज़्यादा स्टिकी हो जाते हैं, इतने स्टिकी कि यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग इची, तो ही आपको थर्ड टाइम वॉश करना है. अगर हो सकता है तो प्लीज़ अवॉइड वॉशिंग योर हेयर फॉर द थर्ड टाइम. द मेन रीज़न इज़ दैट वी डू नॉट वांट टू वॉश आउट द essential oil or the natural oil, that is the sebum that is present in the scalp. It has its own protective and nutritive value which adds on to the hair care and the scalp care. Okay. Sonal Parag says, as the weather is humid now, hair sweats a lot and damages. What is the best way to take care in this humidity? Sonal Parag, a very, very good question. Okay, a very apt question for the season. One thing what you can do is, once you sweat, if you feel that you are sweating a lot, let your hair dry naturally. उससे क्या होगा is there will be no breeding of say viruses or fungi in your scalp. Once your hair is dry, you will not feel itchy also. Okay, hair damage, the third thing that you can prevent, sun damage if it's particular talking, or now that we are locked out at our homes, even standing near the gas and cooking for longer times, or even exposure to screens for a longer time damages in a particular manner. The best way to prevent sun damage or damage to the hair through even the ultraviolet radiations, the best thing is oiling your hair. So if you oil your hair in spite of the very hot and humid weather, it provides a very good sun protective agent. Okay, so oil your hair. Never ever wash your hair without oiling. and have lots and lots of water, have lots and lots of natural fruits available in this season. You can have watermelon, musk melon, mangoes. They are excellent sources. At least watermelons and musk melons are excellent sources of water. If you don't like plain water, you can have these as substitutes. They are excellent sources of even the essential vitamins. Mangoes has very good content of vitamin A and vitamin C, which goes a very long way in building up the collagen or the protein, which is the basic structure of hair care. I hope I have answered your question, Sonal Parag. Nisha Jain puts up a question. My daughter is 7 and she has very dry scalp, very flaky and tremendous hair fall. Her diet is healthy and she has thyroid. Okay, Nisha, thyroid is one of the major reasons for hair fall. I would like to know आपने last उनकी टेस्ट कब करवाई है, उसका thyroid levels normal है या नहीं है. Okay, अगर normal है then you need not worry. Hair fall will always remain, a part of it will always remain in thyroid cases. Okay, so even when I advise my patients to use Kesh Elixir, I always tell them कि 100% ठीक नहीं होगा, 10-20% आपका हेयर फॉल रहेगा ही, बिकॉज दीज आर हार्मोनल इश्यूज, राइट. तो 60 to 70% वी कैन डेफिनेटली टेक केयर ऑफ बाय यूजिंग केश एलेक्सिर. अगर आपको अगर स्कैल्प फ्लेकी है, राइट, यू आर सेइंग, सो डज इट इच, आपको लगता है कि उसके फ्लेक्स गिरते हैं या सिर्फ आपको स्कैल्प पे दिखता है या हेयर स्ट्रैंड्स पे दिखता है, उसके ऊपर डिसाइड हम कर पाएंगे कि डायग्नोसिस क्या है. इफ़ इट इज़ जस्ट डैंड्रफ, dandruff also has various forms. Okay, if it can be just dermatitis or it can be any other form of severe dandruff or severe kind of infection, accordingly I would be able to suggest better. But what you can do is, बच्ची है, आप उसका scalp oil करके ही रखो. Again, wash it twice in a week, but don't ever think of keeping it dry for a longer period of time. ऑयल करके रखोगे तो क्या होगा, जो ड्राइनेस होगा वो कम हो जाएगा. एंड आई एम श्योर दिस ड्राइनेस मस्ट बी इंक्रीजिंग, स्पेशली इन ड्राई वेदर्स लाइक विंटर्स. In such cases, what you can do is you can add oil of thicker consistency like castor oil so that the dryness is taken care of. Okay, Josephine says, does hard water affect the color of the hair? Definitely, Josephine. Hard water has basically more of mineral content in it, which damages the hair and the hair color also. Okay, so if possible, see, there are a lot of these strainers that are available which converts, once you just put it in the tap or around the shower, what they do is they filter out certain minerals that are present in the hard water. उससे क्या होता है कि hard water completely normal या soft water नहीं बनेगा, but definitely the content or the damage, the content of the minerals reduces, so the damage that it would have done otherwise comes down to a greater extent. You can try using that and do give me a feedback on this. Hi Gayatri. Bhavi says, please recommend some good hair oil. Bhavi, this is a very tricky question. Let me tell you very frankly. I would definitely recommend you use to Kesh Elixir only if you have some kind of a hair problem. If you do not have any hair problem and if you're just wanting to have good quality hair, you can still use Kesh Elixir for that. If you do not want to start with any medicated hair oil and you just want to start with a regular oil, use coconut oil in any form. Coconut oil is the best oil. I would not suggest you to go in for any other complex hair oils or for any other mixture of oils. Coconut oil works the best. And you can use any brand. There are lots of brands available in the market. Please remember one thing, कि सब brands चलते हैं क्योंकि सबका अपना अपना USP रहता है. Okay, there is not one thing which is better than the other. सब अपने body tendency पे depend करता है कि हमें क्या suit करता है. Okay, so I am promoting, or I am just asking you to use coconut oil, but there have been cases, there have been people like we have 1 in 10 lakh people जिनको coconut oil नहीं suit करता है. So though coconut oil is very good, if it doesn't suit you, you have to look out for options. So try using some common brands, try using some common products. You can continue using the ones that suit you well. Okay, Veena puts up a question. She's saying ki what is the cause of heavy dandruff in a 13-year-old girl? Okay, Veena, I would like to know a certain background on this. Do let me know if there is a history of allergy in the family, either of the parents or the grandparents, or if there is history of any other skin condition. Because heavy dandruff, I would like to know, is it itchy? Does she really scratch till the time that it bleeds? or do you feel there are strands of, or there are flakes of dandruff on the shoulders or on the back? Does she have pimple in the forehead region? Because if all these things are present, that means it is not just dandruff, it may be some kind of skin infection, okay, or some kind of skin problem. Now dandruff, the commonest reasons is either dry scalp, or there could be some kind of fungal infection. I need to see this further to actually tell you what could be the cause. Okay, so do connect with me and we can take this ahead. Thanks a lot, Bobby. Okay, Nisha says, okay, we were talking about our daughter's thyroid levels. It is normal. That is very good, Nisha. You just see, so we consider hair fall कि 70 to 80% हम ठीक कर पाएंगे, 20% आप पकड़ के चलो कि थोड़ा बहुत तो रहेगा ही. और आपको क्या करना है, आई टोल्ड यू कि ड्राइनेस का उसका ध्यान रखो. डैंड्रफ के बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे, ड्राइनेस का ध्यान रखो. नाउ द ड्राइनेस ऑफ द स्किन कैन ऑल्सो बी बिकॉज ऑफ लेस वाटर इनटेक. So what you need to do is not only just apply oil and keep, but also increase the water intake of hers directly या indirectly. अगर वो directly पानी नहीं पीना चाहती या कई बच्चों को नहीं अच्छा लगता है, उसको कोई juices दे दो, या give her some kind of fruits like we just talked about. Watermelon है, muskmelon है, जिसका water content high रहता है, and I'm sure you'll start seeing improvement. In case if you feel कि नहीं improve हो रहा है, do connect with me. Okay, Nisha says, would you please spell? Nisha, I am not too sure what are you asking me to spell. Please put it down again. I'll do that. Hi Karuna, good to see you too. How are you doing? Hi Lena. Josephine says, please answer my first question too. I'm sorry, Josephine, I have no idea. I am not finding your first question. I'll just, after the live, I will just go back to the chats again, and if I've missed any question, I'll definitely answer them. Okay, Lena says, after doing keratin, I have tremendous hair loss. What should I do? Hair vitamin I am taking, but it is of no use. Okay, Lena, I would like to know कि आपने कितने टाइम पहले keratin treatment करवाया है, and I am sure that they must have given you shampoos which they usually say कि आपको यही shampoo use करना है. That is because they have those things, they will want to keep their treatment on for a longer period of time. Usually when you use other shampoos, क्या होता है कि वो जो उनका जो effect रहता है keratin treatment या any treatment that you do, the treatment starts wearing off. So they do not want that to happen. So they give you a particular brand of shampoo. Even those shampoos are absolutely good. I mean, I don't have any issues against that. But I just want to know कि आपने कितने टाइम पहले keratin कराया है. Do you oil your hair or no? Okay, these are the two things. Please answer them and I'll get back to you then. Thank you, Veena. I am glad that I've helped you. Oil name that you're giving me. Okay, Nisha was talking about my hair oil, the hair oil that that we make it using coconut oil and homeopathic medicines. I'll put down the name in the chat. I'll put it as a reply to you after the live session is over. Okay. Lina says in December she's got her keratin treatment done, and yes, I've been using the same shampoo. Yes, Lina, that is okay, that is perfect. So that's the best thing, that you've been using the same shampoo. Please continue using them. Now what I need to know is, do you oil your hair or no? Okay, ideally, okay, you do not oil your hair. She just put up a message that she doesn't oil my hair. Ideally, it's been approximately 6 months since you've done it. You should start oiling your hair. Lack of oiling hair will also give rise to a lot of dryness, and क्या होता है, जो nourishment जो बालों को मिलनी चाहिए ना, वो नहीं मिलती है. Because if you're not massaging, if you're not oiling, the nourishment factor, the nutrition factor of the scalp is lost, and it will start giving you hair fall. Okay, so I would suggest start oiling your hair. Oil your hair twice in a week, at least for a month, and let me know what the changes are. You can use any coconut oil that is available with you, and just get back to me and let me know what the difference is. Since you're already taking multivitamins, I wouldn't suggest you to go for any other supplements. To ले रहे हो आप वही continue करो. Make only one change at a time so that we know if a particular thing is helping you or no. Okay, तो आप shampoo वही रखो, multivitamins वही रखो, और सिर्फ oiling start करो. Okay, at the same time make sure that you have lots and lots of water, since it's extremely hot outside. We need to see कि आपका body dehydrate ना हो. Make certain changes in your diet. Since you're already taking multivitamins, you will not be deficient on vitamins or any other micronutrients, but take care of the protein intake of yours. Okay, you can have more of protein rich food, like we have dals, we have sprouts, we have paneer, we have whey. Okay, so you can increase those things. If you're eating non-vegetarian food, you can have a lot of eggs in your diet. You can have certain fishes, oily fishes. All those things are very, very good sources. Okay, and do let me know. I'll get back to you on this then. Okay, Archana. Hi, Archana. Okay, Leena Singh puts up a question: is Indulekha oil good? Okay, Leela, I just talked about it. See, all products are there in the market. They all have their own USPs. Okay, हर product में एक market में इतने सारे products हैं. Say there are 100 brands of hair oil, including mine. I would not say mine is the best because I have a success rate of say 95 to 97%, which means there are 3 to 5% of cases still whom I have not been able to help. Okay, जो उनका वर्सन नहीं हुआ है लेकिन उनको इम्प्रूव भी नहीं हुआ है, एंड दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ फॉर दीज 3 to 5% ऑफ केसेस जो बाकी के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नाउ सिमिलरली द सक्सेस रेट फॉर ईच एंड एवरी ब्रांड, फॉर ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन विल वेरी. आई वुड सजेस्ट आप इंडुलेखा ट्राई करो. अगर आपको सूट करता है, fair enough, you can continue using that. Agar, how do you know a product is suiting you? Okay, if you do not, the reason why you're using one particular product, आपको hair fall है, आप Indulekha use कर रहे हो. अगर आपको लगता है आपका hair fall नहीं बढ़ रहा है, और if you do not come down with any other kind of say allergies like itchy scalp हो रहा है या ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, and if you start seeing an improvement in your hair fall, then please use that. Use a product that suits you. Do not always go for the brand name. Okay, even the biggest of brands have had failures, and even the smallest of brands have had huge successes. Okay, so you will know a product is suiting you only after you use it for yourself. I hope I have answered that question. Hi Rushali, how are you doing? Okay, Bhavi says my son is 13-year-old and suddenly got a lot of dandruff in his hair. He sweats a lot too from the hair and can see flakes of dandruff on hair too. Nowadays he doesn't oil his hair. Please suggest tips to get rid of dandruff, please. Okay, Bhavi. Suddenly got a lot of dandruff. I assume it is happening only since a few days. Okay, hygiene plays a very, very important role here, especially in this hot and humid weather. Okay, since he's sweating a lot, I'm sure he may be even washing his hair maybe twice in a day. Okay, so we need to stop that first. उनको बोलो कि जब भी उसको hair sweat होता है, what he needs to do is he needs to take a soft towel and just tap his head, so that what happens is that the sweat will he'll wipe off the sweat. He need not wash it again. हम wash बार बार नहीं करेंगे because हमें sebum wash off नहीं करना है. जो रहते हैं sebum के वो हमें wash off नहीं करने हैं. Okay, तो हम wash तो सिर्फ see, boys, they will not usually agree, okay, and especially a teenager, so you can assume him to wash his hair say 3 or 4 times in a week, which is absolutely fine at this age. Now the next thing that we need to do is, first thing is keep his scalp dry so that we need not wash again and again. Second thing is again the water intake. Okay, we need to see whether his scalp is dry or no, or if his body is going into dehydration. Agar dehydration ho raha hai. Third thing is food habits. Okay, in this age usually kids have a lot of fuss about eating things, so make sure complete balanced nutritious food so that the viral infections that usually tend to happen because of the sweat and वो नहीं होता है. Do these basic things. If using Kesh Elixir hair oil, I suggest कि do these changes at least for 15 days so that you know कि difference क्या है. कोई भी चीज़ या कोई भी change